most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out.
Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, happy Christmas Eve. I'm just sitting outside enjoying this fresh air before it gets cold. It is Christmas Eve. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, Jesus. I can't believe it. Oh, it's messy back there. Not too much. Not too much in the place I sleep at. Here I'm currently editing my video, my Shein haul, trying to edit the long form for YouTube, and I'm trying to do some of the short forms for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. I got these from my brother's house yesterday, so this is gonna be my dinner slash snack with some water, and I'm watching The Office as background noise. So yeah, this is how we are spending our Christmas Eve. Is Christmas canceled or not? Like, I don't know. I was just watching this video and it was like how we're saying like we don't feel the Christmas spirit. Every year I never truly feel it because like my family, we don't really like celebrate like that. Like we'll cook and stuff like that, but we weren't really big on giving gifts. Like my parents, they were never like, I guess, not that financially equipped to get gifts for all 5 of us. It wasn't until recently in our adult years when we had jobs that we were like, you know, doing like Secret Santa. We did Secret Santa for 1 year, and then the following year we got each other gifts, but we didn't really do Secret Santa. Or like my sister and I, we would get each other stuff, but that's about as far as it goes. But like, I don't know, like I don't have that close-knit of a family, and I yearn for that. So hopefully one day, by the grace of God, I'm able to have my own family and do that. So there's a lot of things like, you know, I never got a chance to really experience. Making sure I'm still recording, but yeah. But I always love Christmas time. Like I love how people are like more friendlier, people are more nicer. You just feel like the spirit, like, you know, we're not in darkness. Even though the world is dark, we're not in darkness. Like people are more friendly, you know. Jesus is the reason for the season. People are feeling more, you know, like they're, you know, more holiday spirit-y and stuff like that. So although my family, we don't really celebrate it big, my mom does cook. Like, so she'll make like not like a big meal like Thanksgiving, but like half of that. So, you know, we'll still have like turkey, or we'll have ham, we'll have rice. For Thanksgiving she'll make mac and cheese, but for Christmas she'll make lasagna and stuff like that, and we just like eat. I did put up the Christmas tree, but I didn't even decorate it, and there are no gifts under the Christmas tree this year. The year 2024 has been a year, but I still believe that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above more than I can ever ask of him, and I do ask him for a lot. But yeah, I'm grateful to be alive, and I'm grateful to be well. I thank God I didn't have to go to the hospital not one time this year, for me, and I only just to go to the doctor for my, you know, annual checkup. But other than that, you know, he kept me safe. I'm not the healthiest or the whatever, but he's keeping me, and for that I'm grateful. So yeah, just checking in. Nothing really else to vlog about. Today has been more of a really relaxing day for me. So, and I enjoyed it. Like I just basically did nothing. And I kind of like that. I just was editing and posting and trying to get some inspiration so I could remain relevant, and, you know, let this be the year for 2025 for me to really take off in what I want to do. Although YouTube is bugging, you guys. Like I check my analytics, and like my views, like, I don't know, we'll talk about that maybe like on live or something, because I think I want to go live, like while I do my makeup, go live and talk to people. I think I might do that. We'll see. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm about to eat these and finish editing my YouTube Shein haul, so that way it can go live the day after Christmas, so on Thursday. Yeah, so I have that, and then I'll work on a vlog that I recently recorded that I need to edit, and then I have to do my perfume haul. Ooh, yeah, and then I have to do like my year in review stuff. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, guys, bye. Not me thinking it wasn't gonna be busy at Checkers, and the line is pretty. I'm gonna go home. This is ridiculous. So yeah, my big bag ended up coming back. I made a whole circle and I came back. I'm so hungry. So I'm just gonna visit him and yeah, sit in this long behind line and place my order. Oh my gosh. Y'all, they got me on the other side, but how long do wings take? Oh, it's because thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. Yeah, I got my food. I'm getting my peas, my fries, my wings. Okay. Big bag, late night adventures. A Checkers is the only one that's coming in clutch for the big backers. Like, I am so hungry. I didn't eat today, and I don't think I was gonna be able to. Ooh, I don't know if you could. I didn't think I was gonna be able to make it through. Oh, this people are. I don't know. You know, I don't really be out this time of night. I be home. You let me go? Thank you, sir. Thank you kindly. Okay. Anyways, ooh, the food smells good. I'm about to go home, eat, be a big bag, watch Lifetime or Hallmark movies. And this is how I spend Christmas. The bag is secured. Okay. Let me see if the fries crunchy, because they had me waiting for a while. Let's see this. Oh, okay. It's crunchy. Okay. How did they give me ketchup? Oh, they give me ketchup. Like, why are you stingy on ketchup? Anyways, I'll see y'all. Bye. Christmas, Happy New Year. This is how we woke up this morning. It's Christmas and I'm in shambles. I'm also hungry, but Merry Christmas. Mommy's cooking. I might help her, and then I'm gonna get ready. My sister's cleaning up. You have stuff on the floor. What is that? Anyways, it's Christmas. It's not really festive in the house today. But it's been festive online, and I like to see that. Yeah, the day we all look forward to every year is finally here. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. I'm grateful. Today's vlog is going to be really short, really. I ain't got much going on today. Made it through Vlogmas. We vlogged for 25 days straight. Can you believe it? To God be the glory. We gained some new subscribers, some new people to welcome to the fam, and I'm excited. Yeah, we did it, Joe. We did it. Oh yeah, I'm looking a mess, but this is how I look on a daily basis. But yeah, we have a lot of new things coming up, so stay tuned. I'll try to vlog later on throughout the day, show you guys what my mom is cooking. She's making turkey, rice, lasagna, and she want to make salad. I said, who will eat that? Even though I could use a salad. I thought it was gonna be cold, but the sun is shining bright here in South Florida.